first time ever, I don't have earbuds that go directly into my ears. I don't have any pain. Usually I can feel discomfort almost right away. Hey guys, TechLuvnMomma here, showing my Samsung Buds Live unboxing. I decided to go with the black, and I also own the Samsung Buds in Ulra Glow, also the black Samsung Buds Plus. And I do really like my buds, and they work really well, but because of the earbud style, it hurts my ears. I have very small ears, and they don't stay in very well, and the only time they do stay in well if I use memory foam tips, which are not that cheap. I like the new style. I have this really nice case for my Samsung Buds and Buds Plus, but I didn't like the metal hook that came with it because it snags and ruins your clothing, and I do clip it to my shirt a lot because I don't always have pockets. So I had to make this hook that's also bendable, and it's rubber so it doesn't ruin your clothes. And I guess let's get right to trying them on and see what they're all about. Okay, so I got my Buds Live, and these are very different for me. So it says I'm now connected, so hopefully the audio doesn't sound too off. Anyways, so let's see. This is the right. Let's see if I could put these in correctly. Get a fit. I don't know how to make them fit. I mean, it's sitting in, so I think that's in. I mean, it's hard because I feel loose. I can't tell if I got a good seal. Oh, maybe I have a good seal now. All right, let's just see. So I mean, they, for tiny ears, they sit pretty well. I don't know if you can see. And I mean, I have tiny ears, but they sit right in pretty well. This one feels like I don't have it in correctly, so let me just readjust. It's hard to tell if I have it in correctly, because they're so gentle feeling in a sense. So, but for the first time ever, I don't have earbuds that go directly into my ears. I don't have any pain. Usually I can feel discomfort almost right away. So that's a bonus. They're in there pretty good. Other than that, I mean, yeah. And as a mom, I don't usually have both my earbuds in. I like to be able to use only one. And the reason why I like the Buds and the Buds Plus is because I could use either one at the same time. It's wireless. And I can hear the kids and things like that. With this, it's like I don't have anything on. It's a very slight muffle, which I like. Music and stuff I do love. I typically rather listen to music on a loudspeaker. Usually I use my buds more for if I have to talk to anyone, and mostly podcasts or keeping up with YouTube and such like that with the other creators and such. So this, I think, is going to work out. This is the Galaxy Buds Live. This is the black, which is a lot like the Note 20 Ultra Black. It's very mirror finish, so you can see reflection in it. I like it. I do like the color. Of course, I wish it was purple. And until next time, I'm TechLuvnMomma. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.